Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart and we are here to do our weekly rebate haul. We're going to be doing Ibotta, Shopkick, Swag Bucks, and a little bit of Brand Club. And there are some really good household deals this week. I'm super excited. There's one product that I love to get like every time we have, a rebate on it, even though it's not probably the best price, but it's still saving on something that I really like to use at my house. So it's going to be a money maker today. So I'm really excited about that. So I have a $3 Weekend Warrior rebate when you buy or when you get 8 offers. Not a lot, but that's okay. That kind of happens to me when I don't do Ibotta for a few weeks, or I don't do it, on say, because I have 2 Ibottas. I have my main one that I use all the time, and then I have one that I have on my iPad here that is in my boyfriend's name. And so what I do is when I cash out there, I used to send it to his PayPal, but now I just recycle it into a Walmart gift card. Usually I will buy that while I'm checking out. That way that will count as an offer as well. And then I don't have to send anything to PayPal or anything like that. I just usually cash out for Walmart gift cards. Now CVS is on there. So if you're a CVS shopper, you can get CVS gift cards on there now. So it's really great. So sometimes with this Ibotta, I will get nicer Ibotta rebate offers for like just for certain products or the bonuses. So there's that little tidbit of information for you. I haven't done really any rebates on this one in a while, so that's why I got a nice one. My regular one that I get is still kicking out 5 for 18 offers almost every weekend. So yeah, we're not going to do that today. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There's a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out when you're in the store. So anyways, guys, that's all I have to talk about right now. So let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to grab is something fun. It's something that I saw and I really had my eye on it. So it is the CeraVe Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. So it's like an oil-based cleanser that you rub it on your face. It really melts away the makeup, and then you can do like regular cleansing afterwards. But anyways, I use the Neutrogena one. I love it, so I wanted to try this one. Long story short, so that is $9.97. I have a $4 off printable coupon that I'm going to use that I got from the CeraVe website. There's also a $3 insert coupon that you could use on this. But we also have a $2.25 rebate on Ibotta for this. I also have a $1.50 survey on Brand Club that I'm going to do for CeraVe, and that's going to make this just $2.22. And for something that I want to try out, I don't have a problem paying $2.22 for. So next we're going to grab this. This keeps resetting and resetting higher for me, so I'm going to do it. So we're going to grab the Baby Dove hand and face wipes for $1.56. You're going to get back 1,250 kicks on Shopkick, which equals out to $5. So that's going to make this a $3.44 moneymaker. If it doesn't work anymore, I do apologize about that. And obviously don't get it. But the last time I did this worked beautifully, and it works every time. And here is the rebate. I'll show it again. That's the one you want to use to get this because it works for the skincare for some reason. So next we're going to grab the Clorox Disinfecting Mist for $5.28. We're going to grab 2 of them. That'll equal out to $10.56. We're going to use these $2 printable coupons from the coupons.com website. I was checking something out of the corner of my eye here. We're going to use 2 of those. You can also go to the coupons.com app and use that. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. We're going to get $2 back for each one. It says for a bonus that you have to redeem it on 2 separate shopping trips, so you shouldn't get a bonus for that. Then you're going to get back $3 on Swag Bucks. You get $3 back on swag bucks, making these free, and a 44-cent moneymaker. So I'm grabbing them. Next, I'm gonna grab the Finish tabs. They're $3.34, and we're going to submit our receipt to the coupons.com app, get $1.50 back. Then we're going to get back $1.25 on Ibotta. Whew, I'm rusty. I don't have a bonus on here, but I did see some people had a bonus, so I'm only going to grab this. But we do have rebates for the Quantum and the Jet Dry and the dishwasher cleaner, which I love. So then we're going to do a survey on Brand Club and get 50 cents back, making this guy just 9 cents. So next we're going to get the Suavitel, and I'm opting for the bigger one. Typically I would go for the smaller one, but I think you're going to pay just a smidge more for the really big ones, so I'm going to do that because this is, I think, a really good deal. These are normally $11.97, and I'm going to grab 2 of the big blue ones. And if you haven't tried Suavitel, this is the time to try it because they got the small ones for $4. You got Ibotta rebates, you got swag bucks, you got all kinds of stuff. So anyways, the 2 of these are going to equal out to $23.94. We are going to submit our receipt to Shopkick. We're going to submit our receipt to Shopkick for 810 kicks, which equals out to $3.24. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each one. We're also going to submit our receipt to Swag Bucks and get back another $3. We don't have anything on Brand Club for Suavitel, and the Checkout 51 offers are gone for me. That's going to make both of them $11.70 or about half off, which it's going to make my out-of-pocket, or it's going to give me an out-of-pocket, but I'm saving money on something that we'll use. So next we're going to get the Lysol sanitizer. You know I get this all the time, but this time it's going to be free, so I'm super excited. So we're going to get 2 of these for $6.97. They equal out to $13.94. We're going to use these $1.50 printable coupons, but there are some in the 10.9 Smart Source, which I don't have that, and coupons.com, but we're going to use these 2 here. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. I'm going to come over here and show you the Ibotta rebate. We're going to get back $1.50 for each one on Ibotta. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Swag Bucks, and we're going to get back $4 on Swag Bucks. Then we're going to submit our receipt to this $5 gift card, but this rebate come around when I was leaving out of town. I seen it, but you'll get $5 back as well for that. So that's going to make these free and a 106 moneymaker. And I'm so excited because I love this stuff so much. And it's hard to grab 2 of them with one hand, but we're going to do it. So we're back at the Finish section. I only have 5 rebates. I have 8 total that I need to get, so I'm going to grab the Finish Quantum as well. I really don't have a preference between the 2. I don't know. But anyways, these are $4.12, and I do have $1 for Finish that expires tomorrow on the coupons.com app, so I'm going to use that, and then we're going to get $1.50 back as well, making this $1.62, which isn't terrible. If you want it, both together, then it's $1.71 for both of them, which really isn't terrible, so I'm going to take it. Yay, I'm so excited. So I have this little weird end thingy at the end of the soda or the pop that has Gatorade things in it. So it has this Gatorade Fit, real healthy, real hydration. It's $1.28. We have $1.28 back on Ibotta. And here is the offer. It's for 16.9 ounce. Oh, watermelon and sea salt. Okay, well we're gonna get it anyways. Next we're gonna grab this Immune Support Lipton tea. It is $5.98, and we have a 50% off offer on the coupons. It's on Ibotta. My gosh, guys, maybe next week I'll be a little bit better at this. But anyways, this is gonna be $2.98 for a 12-pack of tea, which I think is a good deal, and it's pineapple and mango. I know that's probably a very acquired taste, but I have a child at home that would love these because she loves mango and pineapple, so there you go. So even though I have all my Ibotta rebates, I saw a coupon with Kayla. Get this, and it sounds so good to put on crackers. It's a garlic and herb spreadable cheese. My lord. So anyways, this is $4.17, and we're gonna get back some shop kicks. We're gonna get back 800 buy kicks and 15 scan kicks, which equals out to $3.26, making this just 91 cents, and it sounds amazing. So this is it, guys. This is everything we're grabbing today. We're not grabbing that root beer right there. No one's getting that. But this is everything that we're getting. It's a small haul, but you know what? It's fine with me. I will take either way. So anyways, let's go to checkout, and then let's go out to the car and see how everything went. All right, guys. So we are back in from Walmart, and everything went great. Sometimes it feels like my hair is just all kinds of like little baby hairs going everywhere. But I promise you, I am not as of a mess as I appear to be. But anyways, we're back in from Walmart, and I already started recording this, and then I looked up and it wasn't recording anymore. So, oh, I bet you it's from my watch, because what happens is like my camera will pop up on here sometimes and I might hit it. But anyways, let's keep talking. So everything went great in the store. I only had a few paper coupons on me, and they were just printables, and I'm going to submit to the coupons.com app for the finish. But that's all I had for coupons. There was some other deals that I could have done, but no coupons, and you need the coupons. So we're definitely not going to do that. I was also going to do a bunch of Shopkick offers, but the ones I were going to do, all had reset down to really low. So we're not going to do that. So like I said, my coupons all worked fine in there. It didn't even call over a cashier. So like I said, I had no problems with my coupons. I didn't even have a cashier come over and have to, do their approval or whatever. For my rebate apps, no problems with Swagbucks, Ibotta, and we won't know about the others until later on. But I typically don't have issues with Shopkick or coupons.com. Or anything like that. So we should be good to go on everything here for the math. So I spent a total of $69.42 after my coupons. I had $25.38 in rebates from Ibotta. I had also on there, I didn't realize, a 10-cent any receipt offer. So that's included in that. I had a $3 weekend warrior, and I got that. Then I got back $10 on Swagbucks. So I submitted through Tada. So much more seamless through Tada. Takes half the time, and it really is a lot more smooth, like you would think a rebate app would be. The Swagbucks app is just clunky. So I got $10 back for all 3 offers that I submitted to. Totally fine. Then I got back 4,165 kicks on Shopkick in total. So that includes the offer for a second time for the baby wipes. So that equals out to $16.66 on Shopkick. I'll get back $3.88 on Brand Club. So I have 2 survey offers for $1.50 for the CRV. I have 3 survey offers, $1.50 for the CRV, 50 cents for the finish, and then 50 cents for the Lipton. And then I just have some surveys that are going to unlock for the rest of the amount, and that's going to make it $3.38 on Brand Club. I'll get back $2.50 on coupons.com, the app. So for whatever reason, I had $1 for one finished product, but that expires tomorrow, and then I have another $1.50 finished product on there. So I'll get $2.50 back for that. I'll get back $5 for the Lysol gift card, and then I got back 34 cents on Fetch Rewards just for uploading it. That's just what they gave me. So that makes my total for everything, which I'm really surprised. Even if I didn't do that extra baby wipes to lower my cost of things, I still would have been at a really great price. But my total for everything was $3.16. And I think that's really good. So that's about 96% savings. And how many items did I get? I got 16 items. So I think that's pretty darn good if you ask me. And I'm really, really happy with how that all went. Even if you don't do like a weekend warrior, I would suggest doing something like the Suavitel, the Lysol, and the Clorox, because yeah, those are really staple like items, I think, in a home. So if those are things that you use, I would definitely jump on those and get those this weekend. And the link for the Lysol is in the Google Doc. I just want to make sure that everyone knows that and hears that, and we are good to go. So anyways, guys, that's really all I have today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. So there's that little tidbit of information for you. So I haven't really done... All right, guys, so we are back in from Walmart, and everything went great. I only used a few coupons, mainly all printable coupons. Oh,